Okay, it's time for a March giveaway. Wtoys v913 helicopter. It's got self-stabilizing, so very easy to fly. It's a large model, like 27 inches. And subscribe, leave a comment, and good luck.
There we go. Okay. Wow. Let's see if I can do this. I've tried those little helicopters that you have in the house, but always crashed them and broke them. There we go. Up. Whoa! Flying all by itself. I can't get it to go forward. Go to high rate. That's better. Hey, I can't believe I'm doing this. Never flown a helicopter before. Oh, there's a breeze. That's why it keeps wanting to go this way. Okay, come on back down, baby. Way up there. I can't get enough forward momentum. There we go. Hey, finally back on the... Pretty quiet. And I haven't crashed it yet. Those little helicopters I tried years ago would have been demolished by now. Nice looking too. And it's pretty good size. Couple of feet diameter. It says 27 inches. That's probably blade to tail. Well, there's a lot of wind. I can't go forward hardly. Okay, come on down. See if we can land. Oh, I love it. Just wish there wasn't any wind today. It'd be a lot easier to fly. Wtoys v913. 2-cell battery. I think 1500 milliamps.